council members were in attendance at each of these mediation sessions, including the last session that concluded with the chairman of county council stating that a basis for the agreement had been reached. An assertion was made several times by one county council member that the city's lawsuit was, and I am quoting, BS. Others called it a sham and bogus. Not only are these statements beneath the dignity of an elected official, unprofessional, and exude poor demeanor, they are false. The county and their attorneys were unable to convince a very experienced and well-respected circuit judge to dismiss this suit based on their argument that it was without merit. That is why the county is now prohibited from collecting the fee within the municipalities. The county and their attorneys were also unable to convince the South Carolina Court of Appeals that the circuit judge erred in concluding that the city's lawsuit had merit. The county council members who made the assertion that the city's suit is BS, a sham, and bogus are at the very least disrespectful to two levels of our state's judicial system. A statement was made by one county council member that those who voted in favor of bringing this lawsuit, and again I am quoting, should pack up and leave Horry County, and that the county ought to put tag readers on anyone who thinks the lawsuit has merit to make sure they pay their fair share of projects funded by the hospitality fee. We strongly condemn statements of this type. They clearly show a lack of professionalism and a lack of maturity. I, for one, am disgusted by this type of theatrics, and it is not called for. That is not the proper behavior for an elected official. The citizens of Horry County deserve better. Statements such as these are also disrespectful of the court system and are meant to intimidate this and other municipal councils who have acted in the best interests of our residents and visitors. Let me be very clear on behalf of this body that county council does not intimidate us with their poor demeanor, their tactics, and their bullying. We are not intimidated.